Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the YouTube app so your downloads sync with your account. Once done, confirm whether the video allows offline saving or requires YouTube Premium. Make sure your Android has enough storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid mobile charges. Now open the video you want to save, look under the player for the download arrow, and tap it. This initiates the local offline copy. The app explains quality options. Choose higher quality if you have space, lower for faster saves. Once the download starts, you control quality and storage so you balance clarity versus space. Tap the three dots or the quality selector to pick 720p, 480p, or lower. Remember, higher resolutions use more megabytes. If your Android has an SD card, enable it in YouTube settings downloads so new files go there. You can watch progress in library, then downloads, pause, resume, or cancel any file. Doing this helps you manage bandwidth and storage while keeping the file available offline. After the download finishes, access it in library under Downloads and play the video without internet. Keep in mind some offline copies expire and require you to reconnect so YouTube can validate your premium status or license. If a video disappears, reconnect and re-download promptly. If you see errors, try clearing the app cache, updating the YouTube app, or signing out and back in to refresh permissions. If storage is full, move files to an SD card or delete older downloads to free space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.